Yeah, you wearing shoes?
Yeah.
Look at Auntie Robin.
Where's
Say cheese.
Mommy's
It's a video.
Oh.
Where's Mommy's shoes?
Oh, Mommy took them off.
Paige, can I see you walking those?
Can you walk to Auntie Robin? Okay, go walk to Auntie Robin. Doing a good job.
Do you want to turn around and give me a pose? Turn around, Paige. She's going to run away.
Paige, come back in. It's too far. Okay? To the end of the aisle and back.
I see you losing your balance. It's too far. Let's go back to Mommy.